one fresh mango. Now, mangoes aren't cheap, but they certainly are delicious, and they're colorful, and they're gonna go well in this dish. Uncooked brown rice to 1 cup coconut unsweetened. Okay, my milk is warm, and I'm just gonna add 1 cup of that brown rice. Add just a pinch of salt. And then I'll add the rest of my ingredients once the rice is cooked. I'll just stir it occasionally, make sure it doesn't stick, because we don't want scorched rice pudding. And now I'll add about a 1/2 cup of raisins. Good, maybe about 5 minutes more, because I want it to be nice, soft, and creamy. So I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer than what it needs to be cooked. Like I said, you want to stir it occasionally, make sure that doesn't stick. Okay, now the next ingredient that I want to use is monk fruit. But I get the monk fruit that is just monk fruit. It's the monk fruit extract. What I like about it is it has a nice taste. Now, the monk fruit with erythritol is a little bit sweeter than just the monk fruit extract. So I have that monk fruit extract. It's not as sweet as the other monk fruit, which you see primarily in the stores. But I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna back it up with a little bit of raw honey. Well, I'm ready to dip it up. And I just took 1/2 of it, blended it so it can be even creamier. We will see that you've got that rice mango pudding. And there you have it. I am ready to partake. It doesn't get better than that. And if you can get it better than that, call me. I'm Das, and I want to hear from you. How would you do your rice pudding? Because I like rice pudding. The good thing about rice pudding, if we didn't add the mango, it's budget friendly. Rice is very economical, it's very stable. So if you want a budget friendly dessert, rice pudding. If you want to treat yourself, instead of a fur coat, get some mango and make my rice mango pudding. I'm Das, I'm out, but I look forward to seeing you next show.